In this video, I'll guide you through how to create and send invoices in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from a blank screen to a professional invoice that's ready to send to your customer. First, open your web browser and go to books.zoho.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your Zoho account so you can access your organization's books. Make sure you're in the right organization if you manage more than one, so the invoice appears in the correct place. Once you're on the Zoho Books dashboard, look for the main navigation menu, usually on the left side of the screen. Today, I'll show you how to move from that dashboard into the invoicing section. In the menu, find and click on the option labeled Sales. This is where Zoho organizes everything related to money coming into your business, such as estimates, recurring invoices, and of course, regular invoices. After you click Sales, you'll see several subsections. Click on Invoices. This will open your invoices page where you can see all your existing invoices, their statuses, and key details like due dates and amounts. This is also where you'll create new ones. I'll show you the easiest way to create a fresh invoice from here. Look for a button that says New Invoice or something similar, usually at the top right of the Invoices page. Click that to start a new invoice. Zoho Books will open a form where you'll enter all the information needed to bill your customer. Now it's time to enter the details. Start by selecting the customer you're invoicing from the customer drop-down list. If the customer is already in your system, pick them from the list and their information will fill in automatically. If they're not there yet, you can usually add a new customer from this screen as well so that it's saved for future invoices. Next, check or set the invoice number and the invoice date. Zoho Books often auto-generates invoice numbers, but you can adjust the format to match your internal system if needed. Set the due date according to your payment terms, such as due on receipt or net 30 days. Scroll down to the line item section. Here, add each product or service you're billing for. Select items from your existing list or type them in if you're adding something new. Make sure the quantity, rate, and tax settings are correct. Zoho Books will calculate the totals for you, including any discounts or taxes you apply. If you want to include a note to the customer, such as payment instructions, bank details, or a friendly thank you message, use the notes or terms fields near the bottom. This is also a good place to clarify anything unusual about this invoice, like partial payments or special conditions. Once you've reviewed everything and you're satisfied with the invoice, you're ready to send it. I'm going to walk you through how to finalize it. Look for the Save and Send button, typically at the bottom or top of the invoice page. Clicking Save and Send will save the invoice in your system and open the Send dialog, where you can confirm the recipient's email address and the email message. When everything looks right, confirm the send action, and Zoho Books will email the invoice directly to your customer. That's all it takes to create and send invoices in Zoho Books, from logging in to entering details to sending a polished invoice in just a few clicks.